Hey, Jake with B&H. Today I am upstate in the very cold and very windy Hudson Valley to try out the new DJI Mavic Mini 2, otherwise known as the DJI Mini 2. Lots of cool new features in this model. We have 4K video up to 30 frames per second, a couple of new photo modes, and a couple of new quick shot modes. Plus, it still weighs only 249 grams, still the same size and weight as the original, fits in the palm of my hand. Let's go check it out. Okay, so I just want to go through all the new modes in the app together. Let's go through them one by one and talk about what's new. First, let's start with photo. You still have 12 megapixel photos. You can do single or you can do a time shot. Moving now to the video recording, you now have 4K resolution recording capabilities in the Mini 2. Let's take a look at the options here. You have 4K, 24 frames per second, 25 frames per second, and 30 frames per second. You also have the original 2.7K resolution. You can do 24, 25, and 30 frames per second in the 2.7K resolution. If you want some slow motion, you can drop down to 1080p, and you can record up to 60 frames per second in that 1080p resolution for some nice slow motion. DJI Mini 2 also features quick shot modes. You're gonna have the Droney, the Helix, the Rocket, the Circle, and the Boomerang. So if you want to capture the vista, the large landscape that you're looking at, the best bet is to use the panorama modes in the DJI Mini 2. You have three options. You have the sphere panorama, the 180-degree panorama, and the wide-angle panorama. DJI does offer a fantastic kit. It's the Fly More Combo Kit. I actually have it right here, and it's great. You get the convenient carry case that securely fits the drone and the new controller. You also get 3 batteries along with a triple charger, so you can charge all 3 batteries simultaneously over the USB-C cable, which is included in the kit. You also get replacement props for the drone, as well as replacement thumbsticks for the controller. You also get the new controller with the DJI Mini 2. Now, a lot of you may recognize this from the DJI Mavic Air 2. It's the same controller, just carried over. The antennas are built in on the inside, much more convenient and ergonomic design for hand holding, much easier and smoother to mount your smartphone into place right here. It also boasts the new OcuSync 2.0 image transmission technology. The DJI Mini 2 inherits the reliable OcuSync 2.0 video transmission and improves the technology even further, featuring 2.4/5.8 gigahertz auto switching to cut through interference. DJI has optimized algorithms and protocols to cut interference and signal fading more than ever. Now, having said that, it's always important to maintain visual line of sight of your drone whenever you're flying and always follow local rules and regulations. All right, so now I want to talk to you about quick transfer, transferring your shots to your smartphone quickly and easily using the DJI Fly app. When the remote control is connected to the mobile phone and the drone, you can go to the drone album in the DJI Fly app and tap the quick transfer icon to switch the drone to Wi-Fi Bluetooth image transmission mode. The quick transfer function allows you to directly transfer the photos and videos taken by the drone to a mobile device over Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. This is a high-speed download and sync operation with a maximum download speed of 20 megabits a second. The image quality of the downloaded photos will be optimized by default. Make sure to tap that magic wand to view and save the original photo. You can then directly open the editor from the album interface and edit videos. The rich built-in templates will help you create high-quality videos easily. The DJI Fly editor also supports precise editing such as background music and transition effects. The DJI Mini 2 is the quintessential first time flying a drone, why don't I see if I like it, kind of consumer drone technology. The app is very easy to use, and I want to talk about the landing and taking off. So within the app itself, there is a takeoff button, so you can press that, hold it down, it'll take off safely. When you're ready to land, make sure you hit the landing button, hold that down, and it'll take itself all the way down and land automatically once you press that button. Just a nice, easy feature to have. Just speaks to how convenient and easy the Mini 2 is for those first-time drone flyers. All right, that's gonna do it for the new DJI Mini 2. A perfect entry-level drone. I think if you're new to drones, you're looking to get your first drone, this is a great place to start. There's nothing you can't capture with this thing. You have 4K video capture, 12 megapixel photos, smart capture modes for cool cinematic shots, and some cool panorama modes to really capture the landscape. On top of that, it's incredibly lightweight, only 249 grams, as I said. It fits in the palm of my hand. You fold up these propellers and it's the size of a smartphone. It fits in the back of your pocket or in the convenient carry case that you get with the DJI Fly More combo. But I want to know your thoughts. Let me know in the comments below. This is Jake with B&H. Just keep rolling, guys.